G'day. Tomorrow we set out on what should be an absolutely epic motorcycle adventure to the mouth of Murray River and return. Tomorrow morning we'll leave Sutton here and head south and follow the coast all the way around to the mouth of the Murray at Victor Harbour. That's about a 2,000 kilometre ride and it'll take us 4 days. We'll probably have a day's break there, and then on the return journey we'll follow the Murray River as close as we can all the way up to its source. We'll go through towns like Mildura and Echuca on the way and end up at a little location called Tom Groggin in the Snowy Mountains. That's about as close as you could get to the source of the Murray on a motorcycle. From there we'll head home to Sutton. Should be an absolutely epic adventure. Joining me is Anita and Dean, fantastic company. We'll go over some fantastic roads and I think we'll have a great time. I hope you enjoy this series of videos. Take care. Bye. Hey, good morning. First day of our big Murray River ride. Heading out from Sutton down towards the Mallacoota tonight. We're going to go via Braidwood and Batemans Bay, stay on the Princess Highway for a while, and then at Bermagui we're going to turn off and take the road to Tathra and Merimbula, then back on the Princess Highway and down and take the final turn to Mallacoota. Should be an interesting day. We've had terrible flooding here in New South Wales or across Australia, and we're hoping that the roads aren't in too bad a condition. There's forecast a lot of rain tonight, and so we're leaving just a little bit earlier today to try and avoid the downpour. Fingers crossed. See how it goes. Okay. Let's ride. This is Moruya through Brown River. We'll just find a coffee shop here. More to the point, we'll just find a park. Might go out back. Hey, good morning. Day 2. Day 1, had a great ride, some interesting roads, particularly the road from Bermagui down to Tathra. That was fantastic. It was great to get off the highway and do that. So that was a lot of fun. Unfortunately, we got wet. We were watching the rain come through on the way between Eden and Mallacoota, and it bucketed down, and by the time we found a spot to pull over and put the wet weather gear on, we were very wet, but it cleaned up after that, and we arrived in Mallacoota in really good shape, so that was good. Today the plan is to leave Mallacoota and end up at Phillip Island, so we'll head back out onto the Princess Highway at Cuttagee River, go down past Orbis, maybe duck into Lakes Entrance and shoot on down to Sale, and then we'll turn towards the coast and do a loop round the bottom of the coast and end up at Phillip Island. Should be a good day. Hopefully the weather stays fine. There is some rain coming through, but hopefully we avoid that. Take care. Bye. Okay, all fueled up, ready to go.